What's up everyone, I'm Alex from Boards, Bikes, and Hikes, and in today's video we are kayaking down Elkhorn Creek. Now what makes this particular Elkhorn Creek video so exciting is pretty much 2 weeks prior to this we'd had nothing but non-stop rain, and so if we had actually gotten out 2 days sooner, the water was up to 8 feet, and for those of you who kayak on this particular section, the Canoe Kentucky section of Elkhorn Creek, you'll know the water typically sits really low, runs normally between 2 to 3 feet maybe, so the fact that it got up to 8 feet was absolutely insane. I will say, unfortunately, we weren't able to make it out when it was that high, and it dropped really quickly, but at 8 feet it is also said to be a little bit dangerous, especially for, you know, us sitting in a sit-on-top kayak. We're not in a whitewater kayak, so could have gotten a little bit sketchy, but we were able to get out there as soon as we could, and in this video the water is up to 3.5 feet, maybe a little more, and it was absolutely the best kayaking experience we have had on Elkhorn to date. It was so much fun. This particular route is about 5.5 miles. I tracked it on Strava, and normally this takes us about 2.5, sometimes all the way up to 3 hours, depending on the water level, how slow it's running, and stuff like that. Well, on this journey, it took us like an hour and 15 minutes. We were cooking it. We had so much fun. We were flying. It was a nice, real fast-paced cruise, and like all the rapid sections, normally you get hung up on some rocks and you have to be kind of choosy with your lines and stuff on, you know, how you make your way through them. And on this day, you just glazed right over top of all that. Any route you chose was fun, rewarding, and it was just an absolute blast to be able to, you know, see the water level up like this. I hope we get some more rain before the summer's over, because this was the best kayaking experience we have ever had on Elkhorn Creek. My wife and I had an absolute blast in this video, so I hope if you all are lucky enough, you're going to be able to get out there. If you see that the water is 3.5 feet, go for it. It is a little on the higher side compared to normal. I do still believe it would be great for families and stuff. It's going to make your trip a whole lot easier, and it's faster, but it's not overwhelmingly bad that I think it would be bad for kids or anything like that. It's an absolute blast at 3.5 feet if you're able to get out there. Whoa. That got a little hairy. You're going right over it. Go, baby, go! Well, that looks fun. Give her a shot. Woo! Nice and smooth. Good, nice little whoop.
Get going. Let's stay. Wound up in the middle. I really want to go right down the center. Am I going to get wet? 100%. Woo-hoo! I made it all the way dry till that last one.